Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the update on CKB. Recently, the price of CKB has broken out this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after the breakout, it has also broken out this very long-term and strong resistance of $0.00535. That was previously working as a support here for several weeks, and after the breakdown, it was here. It was flipped into a resistance, and for several weeks, it had been breaking at a resistance, and now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. And recently, the price has also broken out another very long-term up trend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line has been previously working as a support of this big and long-term up channel. And after the breakdown, it falls again, flipped into a resistance, and now after the breakout, again, it can work as a strong support. However, on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that so far the candlestick is not closed above this resistance. But on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have 1 in 2 closings above this resistance. Therefore, now there is a probability that it may work as a support. But it is a quite long-term resistance. Therefore, we can also wait for the weekly closing above this resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this huge falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the 7-day time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for high, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell targets on. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past few weeks, it had been breaking a day inside this falling wedge pattern. But we found the support here in the month of Feb, on 3rd of Feb 2025. We had a bounce here, then we had a rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the wedge and almost retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support and geared up. And now recently we have first broken out this very strong resistance of $0.00535. That was previously breaking as a support here, and resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now it can again work as a strong support. And now recently on the daily time frame, we have also broken out this very long-term up trend line resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is at $0.00785. That was previously breaking as support here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance and we got rejection here. And again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of CKB. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that overall the price line of CKB is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern. By the way, this support of the wedge had been previously breaking as a resistance here in the month of April 2021. From the month of April up till here, up till the month of November 2021, we got so many rejections by this resistance. But after the breakout, since after the month of Feb 2024, it is flipped into a support. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and almost had another bounce here as well. And here we got so many rejections by the resistance of the wedge. This time, the price line can hit the resistance of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 1.1 cents. And before that, we also have another very long-term resistance of 1 cent as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this wedge, the technical target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, the huge falling wedge pattern, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.